Good afternoon, friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there as well. President Biden is now holding meetings with top lawmakers from both parties. It is to discuss the next fourth stimulus package. The Biden administration is also removing a few provisions from the new social spending bill. But this change could affect many Social Security recipients. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos you comment on, the more likely your chance of winning the Walmart gift card. In a video later today, I will be announcing today's winner. Thank you so much, friends.
You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and Ranking Member. I rise today in opposition to this bill. To suggest that this bill is a collaborative effort is simply inaccurate. There could be a number of other ways to describe that as well, but it's unfortunate that we're at a place where we could have had an opportunity to advance some good legislation. I'm a supporter of the E15 bill. I've done a lot of work on this, and not just because gas prices are high right now, but because I think that E15 and allowing consumers more choices at the pump would actually engage consumers as it relates to energy policy and energy products. And I do have serious concerns, though, as others have mentioned, about provisions that the Democrats insisted be included in this bill, like the new, very duplicative investigative authority at USDA. Even more concerning to me is that Democrats' continued strategy, their strategy of seeking to blame others on the situation on energy and the cost of virtually everything in our economy. They're seeking to blame others rather than acknowledging that President Biden's economic policies have actually created this mess. Biden's stimulus dollars have driven inflation. Biden's stimulus dollars paid Americans not to return to work, therefore worsening our supply chain crisis. And the president's executive orders canceling new lease auctions and shutting down the Keystone Pipeline have certainly contributed to increased gas prices. Real inflation relief legislation would actually rein in spending, get more Americans back to work, provide broad regulatory relief, and increase domestic energy production. This bill is certainly not it. Thank you. I yield back.
Social Security provides benefits to seniors across a wide range of income levels. In fact, it's possible to have a $3 million income in retirement, but still collect Social Security. But some lawmakers may be looking to change that by imposing a system of means testing for Social Security purposes. Here is how that would work and the impact it might have. Social Security is facing a serious financial shortfall in the not-so-distant future. Recently, its trustees projected that the program's trust funds will be out of money by 2035. And once that happens, benefit cuts will be a distinct possibility unless our lawmakers manage to find a way to pump more money into Social Security. One such option to achieve that goal is the means testing. Means testing is a concept of distributing benefits to retirees based on need. Now, there are different ways that means testing could play out. Lawmakers could decide that seniors above a certain income level might see their Social Security benefits reduced, or they might decide that higher-earning seniors cannot receive Social Security at all. Social Security cannot sustain benefits at their current levels if lawmakers don't find another way to address its anticipated financial shortfall. Means testing and reducing benefits for higher earners is one solution that could help solve the issue, at least to some degree. But it is one that's not likely to sit well with many individuals. So friends, should Social Security be based on income? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. President Biden's American Rescue Plan is perhaps his most significant legislative accomplishment in his first year and a half in office. But the sweeping $1.9 trillion crisis relief bill is also at the center of a debate over raging inflation, with Republicans pointing the finger at President Biden and his policies. The White House maintains that the bill was essential to ushering in the economic recovery. Biden recently dismissed the notion that his relief plan fueled increases in prices. In fact, economists concede that the $1.9 trillion bill did not contribute to inflation. The crisis-related supply chain issues are major factors driving up costs. The former president also signed 2 crisis relief bills, totaling nearly $3 trillion in his final year in office. But many Americans are still wading through their excess savings from the crisis lockdowns that saw people stay home and spend less. Jason Furman, who served as the chairman of the Council of Economic Advisors under former President Obama, said that Americans spent some $800 billion less than normal during the crisis. Jason Furman said in an interview that is also a reservoir they can tap into to spend extra or cover gas prices without cutting their spending on other things. People are running through their cushion because they still have a bit of cushion because a cushion was so large. Friends, the keyword for this video is Swiss Alps. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Swiss Alps, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, dear friends. Mark Zandi, chief economist at Moody's Analytics, estimated this past week that the rescue package added 0.1 percentage points to year-over-year inflation, well behind shocks caused the crisis and the affordable housing crisis. The bipartisan blame game over inflation has intensified as costs, and especially gas prices, have continued to rise, despite the Federal Reserve and top White House officials insisting earlier last year that inflation would only be transitory. Recently, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen acknowledged in an interview with CNN News that she misjudged the path that inflation would take, citing unforeseen shocks to the economy. Janet Yellen also stated, "We're seeing high inflation in almost all developed countries around the world, and they have seen very different fiscal policies. So it cannot be that the case that the bulk of the inflation that we are experiencing reflects the impact of the American Rescue Plan." The rescue package has been a major component of the president's self-touted legislative successes as he tries to hit a positive note on the economy. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that the third stimulus package contributed to inflation that's affecting us now? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. That is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Father's Day.